This is the model that students are going to be using to understand the energy transfer relationships in their communities. When you open it, you will find two communities. You have community A on the left that has a residential sector and an industrial sector, and you have community B that has a hospital, a residential sector, and a commercial sector. Now you will notice that for the hospital, you have this little icon that shows a red line saying minimum. One of the tasks is that students play with different variables to help the hospital reach the minimum of electrical energy that it needs to operate. Now, these two communities receive their energy from two power plants. You have natural gas power plants, like here, and you have the wind farms that are here. So both produce all the electrical energy that is available for the city, and this energy is divided into the two substations that fit their communities. You also have temperature that is going to affect the demand for electrical energy, and is going to affect the production of electrical energy. We also have energy loss that is going to affect at the end how much energy is available for the different sectors. Now, if you want to play with this, you need to click here on Simulate on the top. When you do that, now you have the option to move up and down the different variables. So for example, if I decrease the temperature, if it is too cold, that is going to affect how much energy is produced by the natural gas power plant, by wind farms, and it's also going to cause an increase in the energy demand for both communities. You can also decide if you want to turn off or on one of the substations of the communities. So you can turn off, for example, substation of community A. You can turn off substation of community B. Also, you can decide if you want to play with the energy loss of the system. Okay, so notice that this variable doesn't reach to 0, and as you switch it up, you will see that there is less energy available for the different sectors. So using these variables, the idea is that students understand how energy is being transferred throughout the system until it reaches their communities.